Here is Easy Video Lab 2.0. This is what appears when I open my software. You can see it's a little bit different look than the earlier version. Primarily the fact that all of the controls are on the right-hand side, leaving a much larger section over here for the stage. Now I'm going to just adjust the stage area a little bit here. Make this a little bit larger probably. Our timeline is down here, and everything else is up here. So this is kind of neat. With the Media tab, it works with the image animation, image follow path. That lets you take an image and move it around on the stage. This is where our transparent MOV files are and our layered images. So unlike 1.5.3, where these controls appear with the text, they are separate. All of the text animations are right here. Here's our font selection. And these are the same text animations as 1.5.3. However, some of these text animations have additional fine tuning. Some of the fine tuning and advanced settings. And some of these text animations can be configured so that you can leave them on the stage and so that they don't disappear as an additional animation after they appear on the stage. That was one thing that I was really hoping for, and they did that, so that's very, very cool. You've got your font browser, your fonts over here. One of the cool upgrades is the fact that you can mark your favorite fonts. And I've got some favorites here. You know, as you start to work with fonts, you'll find that you have some that are, you know, that really stand out, and it brings them right to the top of the stack there for you. The library works the same as it did. That's very cool. It has your quotation, so if you're looking for a quotation, if you want to create a fun video, an inspirational video, and you don't want to look around the web for quotes, you can search here. Search by keyword and find quotes here, copy, paste, and work with those. You can import files over here. There's a color palette. We'll do another video on that later. That's a little more advanced, but very cool. You've got your export settings here. And again, you can set your preferences for your project to start. There are more enhancements right here in the timeline where you can there's some really great enhancements here. There's a snap feature, a split. You can split your videos if you want. And you can use a freeze frame feature. So I'm not going to go into those at length right now, but I'm going to give you links so that you can learn more about them right under this video. My suggestion is launch Easy Video Lab 2.0 and start from scratch. Now this is still a beta version, so you cannot import projects and you cannot import templates. You can create a project and export it as a template. You can save it as a project, but you can't import yet because this is still in beta. But I still suggest, if you really want to play with this and get to know it, you know, launch it, start adding images and videos to the timeline and your text, and start to play with it, and then share some of your creations in our Facebook group. If you purchased Real Estate Video Kit, this is one of many videos you have in your member area, so go and check them out. And if you have any questions or any requests for additional tutorial videos, please let me know in the comments or in the help desk, or just feel free to pop me an email.